Today I will show you how to set up a startup program easily. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more. Type the above shortcut, which is the Windows button and the letter R at the same time. When the run window appears, write the following words in it. Click OK and the startup folder will open up. Now go to the program you want to set as startup program and make another shortcut. Then drag the shortcut and put it in the startup folder. Now let me restart my laptop to see if Chrome will open on startup. I can't record the screen while starting, so I will use my phone to record it. If you want anything to open while the computer starts, just make a shortcut and put it in the startup folder. Please leave a like, share and subscribe.